All right, guys. 2012 Hyundai Elantra. We're replacing this headlight bulb. We got the H11 bulb and we got everything loose here. So what we did here was disconnected the battery. Took out the battery. There's a 12 millimeter that's holding this down, this bracket down there. So the battery comes off. Took out the 10 millimeter from right here. There's a 10 millimeter there. I'm gonna have my friend, I did already turn this cover off. He's gonna hold this cover right here. This is what he did. Give me some more, let it go for a second. Don't stretch it too much. And that's how you're gonna get to the bulb, which is sitting right there. And now what you wanna do here is I got it kind of loose. You're gonna turn this counterclockwise and the bulb comes out. And you're gonna remove the connector here, squeeze the two heads. This is the H11 bulb. We're gonna grab the new bulb. You're gonna take this new bulb, stick it on the place, put the connector on. Okay, we're gonna put the connector on right now. It should snap right in, and that's it. Then you're gonna turn this clockwise once you have it in the place. Go. Bulb is in. You're gonna take this cover, put this cover back on. And then you're gonna turn this clockwise. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, now we're gonna put this cover back in. You're gonna position this little guy right over there. This has to be screwed in there. It's gonna be a little bit tough, and this notch has to go in. I'm gonna get my 10 millimeter nut that goes here. I'm gonna get the 10 millimeter bolt, which goes over here. I'm gonna lock both of these up. Okay, and we're not done. Come back. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta catch the threads properly. Make sure you catch the threads. What the hell is going on? Alright, it's going in. There you go. That's one. This is two. Now I'm gonna get the battery. I'm gonna have my friend hold this over here for me. Hold that with one hand, Ralph. Yeah, I need this like that. Okay, so the battery goes in next. Okay, we're gonna put the positive in. We're gonna put the negative in. Where's my impact? So this is the bolt. You just loosen this one right here for the positive. That's locked in. This is locked in. Notice we didn't try the headlight bulb in yet because we didn't have the battery on. So this is the 12 millimeter over here. This is gonna be the tough one. Okay, grab the light together so I can see, you can see too. So this thing goes all the way down there. Just place it on the spot. Let me take my impact from here. I am gonna switch my sockets. This is the 12 millimeter. So what I wanna do now is I'm gonna catch the threads. And there you go, bada bing, bada boom. We got that baby in. So I used the 12 millimeter, used the 10 millimeter. I got my gear wrench there because I was trying to get this off, but then I knew this cover is never, this whole box is never gonna go tilt that way because it's gonna hit the battery. Or you could try taking out the bumper and everything. You're gonna have to take out all these little the shard here, all these clips and everything, because the headlight has clips in the bottom, screws in the bottom. So you got 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter. I'm sure there's another 10 millimeter here, and probably another one down here. So anyways, let's try on the headlights. Go ahead. So you need a H11 bulb. No, it's not on yet. Turn the key. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching this video.